Hey guys, today we're installing the brand new Haven Lighting X Series right here on the roof line of our own building. The installation process is very easy and the results look amazing. Devin and John go through the process of pre-drilling the screws in the mounting channel. This will make the install go even smoother. Next, they screw in the mounting channels all the way down the roof line. Once that is done, they begin making the very easy connections between each X Series strip and then snap them into place. This continues all the way down the front of the building. Once that is set, Josh hooks up the X Series controller on the roof and plugs it in. X Series is easily controlled within the Haven Lighting app. Then he closes up the box and we double check and make sure the lights are functioning properly. But the magic happens with X Series when the sun goes down. The lights look amazing, and we can't wait to start seeing X Series installed around the country. Subscribe to stay up to date on the release of the X Series and check the links in the description of this video for more info on its launch date.